To determine the scope of a site, we need to look at a couple clues. How in-depth is the information? When I look at the wording on the page, is it too scientific or too technical for me to understand? Or is it way too easy? Other clues in the site include the graphics that are used and other links to information on the site. As we can see, this is from the Media Awareness Network, Media and Internet Education Resources for Teachers and for Parents. So we can probably assume it's for a general adult audience. If you scroll down the page and take a look at the information, you'll notice the information is pretty straightforward. But it looks like it's still going to give us plenty of information for our report. It looks like it would be just right for what we're doing. On the other hand, I ran across this article from PLOS1, which stands for the Public Library of Science. See, it says accelerating the publication of peer-reviewed science, and it's a research article. Repeated exposure to media violence is associated with diminished response in an inhibitory frontolimbic network. And the authors of the study here, you can tell, are scientists or doctors. And as I start to read the language, if it wasn't clear already from the title, you'll start to notice a lot of very technical language that researchers use to speak to other researchers. If I'm able to understand the information here, it might be useful for my report. But my guess is that this is going to be way beyond the scope of my understanding, and I'm probably going to want to steer away from this website.